in this Arduino IDE platform. So once you Google in your browser the download Arduino IDE, then you will get the link over there. Also, I will send you the link, the direct link, so you can install on your device, on your laptop or desktop. So I'll send the link on the WhatsApp after this class. So here you need to understand every Arduino sketch. Every Arduino sketch has two main parts to the program that here you can see void setup and void loop. So the void setup sets things that have to be done once and that don't happen again. So in the void setup, it sets the things up that have to done once and then don't happen again. So in the void setup, we have to set up all the uh, connecting pins or the connecting devices, the connected devices as an output or input. And the void setup, what it does, it just gives the message at once. But in the void loop, it contains the instruction that get repeated over and over until the board is turned off. So here in the void loop function, in the void loop, it contains the instructions. It contains all the main parts of the code that gets repeated over and over until the power of this board is turned off. So that's why in the Arduino board, every Arduino sketch has the two main parts, that is void setup and void loop. And our coding will fall under these two functions. So we have to write all the codes inside this Arduino IDE software in the void setup, and the main instructions, the main coding, we have to write under the void loop. So put your main code here to run repeatedly and put your setup code here to run once. So in the void setup, once you set up the code, it runs only one time. After you unplug the device, then it doesn't run again. But in the void loop, once you put your main code, then it runs repeatedly. Once you turn off the power from the device and again turn on, then again it starts to continue the coding. So later on, you will have more ideas when we are going to do on the coding session. And now we need to understand about the power supply, Arduino power supply. So all the Arduino board need electrical power to function. A power supply is what is used to provide electric power to the boards and typically can be a battery. So you can give a power through battery or either USB cable or AC adapter or a regulated power source device. So there are multiple ways to give the power to the board. There are some different ways to power to your board. That is by using the USB cable. Yeah, you can see the USB cable as well. And if you're using the USB cable, then you have to connect to the laptop. The Arduino board can operate satisfactorily on power that is available from the USB port. It provides 5-volt DC voltage and can be sourced from the port from a PC wall socket, adapter, or portable power bank. And another option is from battery. Some boards come with a LiPo, means lithium ion polymer battery socket that fits this kind of batteries that you can see here. For example, the board accept MKR Fox and 1300 come with this feature. This type of battery supply 7 volt, are rechargeable and they can provide higher energy than other lithium battery. So if you use the rechargeable battery, then that will be much more convenient, because once the battery's power is gone, then again you can recharge by using the recharge socket. So that means you can use the battery for multiple times. So this is the power source. So how to give the power to the Arduino is very much important at first, because without power, the Arduino board doesn't work. So that's why. And here, now here we need to understand about the motor driver. I'm showing you here at first the motor driver in the robot, and then let me stop this screen. Yes. So in the robot, it looks like that. And this is, we call the motor driver, this one. This is the Arduino board. We just learned a little bit about the Arduino board, how it looks like, and which pins works for what purpose, and what are these 2 pins for as well. And now we are going to learn about this motor driver step by step, right? So let me share my screen. Yeah, can you see my screen, this motor driver?
Yes.
Okay, great. Yeah. So practically this motor driver, we use this motor driver for 2 purposes. To control the wheel's direction, either to go right, back, left, right, backward, forward, as well as to control the speed. So mostly we use this motor driver to control the speed and the direction of the motor. That's it, very simple. So now let's go to learn about all the pins here. Yeah, you can see here I'm connecting the wire. Yeah, so let me share my screen to go depth into the motor driver. Yeah, here. So this motor driver, this EL298, the name of this motor driver is EL298. Motor driver module is a high power motor driver module for driving DC and stepper motors. This module consists of an, sorry, is there any more questions or hello? Okay.
Hello. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. I think, yeah, that would be great if you all mute your mic, and when I'm asking or you have the questions, then yeah, better to unmute again. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go into the motor driver, EL298N motor. So the name of this driver is EL298N motor driver. The module is high power motor driver module for driving DC and stepper motors. So here in this project, we are driving the DC motor, not the stepper motor. So this module consists of an EL298 motor driver IC. Actually, the EL298 motor driver is the IC, integrated circuit, that means, and a 5-volt regulator. So here is also the voltage regulator, right? So now you might understand what does a regulator do. So regulators regulate. That means it breaks the voltage into the different forms. And here in this module, there is also the 5-volt regulator. And this motor driver can accept the voltage up to 12 volt. And then the 12 volt will break into the 5 volt by using the voltage regulator. So that is what this line means. An L298N module can control up to 4 DC motor or 2 DC motor with a directional and speed control. If you see the pinout, L298N motor pinout, out 1, out 2, 12 volt, ground, 5 volt, ENA, IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4, ENB, and out 3, out 4. So let's see here what that means. IN1 and IN2, these pins will be used for motor A input pins, used to control the spinning direction of motor A. Likewise, I3 and IN3 and IN4, motor B is the input pins, used to control the spinning direction of motor B. That means this side is, let's say this side is the motor A, and this side, the left side, will be the motor B. The right side is motor A, and the left side is motor B. So IN1 and IN2 pins, IN1 and IN2 pins, we use this pin to control the spin of motor A. Likewise, IN3, IN4 pins used to control the spinning direction, the direction of motor B. And ENA means ENA enables PWM signal for motor A. This ENA pin enables PWM, that means pulse width modulation. What it does, it helps to control the speed of the motor, not the direction, right? The ENA means enable pin will helps to control the speed of the motor A, and ENB helps to control the speed of the motor B. And out 1 and out 2, yeah, you can see here out 1 and out 2. This is the output pins of motor A. So in these 2 pins we have to connect the motor either of the left side or the right side. And out 3 and out 4 pins for motor B. Yeah, you can see here the out 3 and out 4. So these 2 pins we can use to connect the motor B. And 12 volt input from DC power source, and 5 volt supplies power for the switching logic circuitry inside L298NC. Here you can see the 12 volt, ground, and 5 volt. Once you give the 12 volt from here, then it converts into the 5 volt automatically because it has 5 volt regulator, 5 voltage regulator. Here you can see already of 5 volt regulator. So these are the things we need to understand, and I hope you understand some or about the Arduino and L298N motor pin. And tomorrow, yeah, we will learn about the Bluetooth module and all the pins of the Bluetooth. And then we will learn about how to wire, how to make the wiring diagram, and how to connect all the pins and wire of the Bluetooth, the power source, L298 motor pin to the Arduino board. And the next day we will do coding and we will run the robot. So yeah, thank you so much for today's class. If you have any questions, regarding to that, please feel free to share. I'll be more happy to answer. Thank you. Yeah, is there any more questions? Please let me know.
Yeah, sir, I have a question, sir.
Okay, please.
Yeah, so this Arduino ID software, does it work in smartphone or only on laptop?
Yeah, well, actually, yeah, the Arduino IDE also works on the telephone, right? But you have to download from Play Store. But I would like to recommend you, as this is your first time and as you are not familiar with Arduino IDE, better to install on your computer. Because in the mobile, it will be very hard for you if you are the beginners. So I strongly recommend you all to install on your computer device, either on the laptop or on the desktop. And once you have ideas, once you are much more familiar, then to control the robot, you can do from your telephone as well later on. But now in the beginning stage, if you use, then you don't understand. It will be puzzled.
Okay,
Yeah, thank you.
thank you, sir.
Welcome. And is there other more questions? Yeah, I think everyone understand clearly. Don't
So I
feel
have a
shy because you all are the teachers. And if you don't understand, then how you will teach the students, right? So let's be more practical, more interactive. Yeah, thank you.
I have a question, sir.
Okay, please.
Well done, sir. Please, how do we get the materials for this robotic?
Yeah, well, I sent you the list of the equipment on the WhatsApp group of the robot. So you
Sir, please
can,
add me on the WhatsApp group. I'm not there, sir. This is my second time of attending this class.
okay, maybe the leader, the volunteer. Yeah, bro, it shows he can aid you. Yeah,
Yeah,
over there.
Please,
I will add you, please. After the class,
Yeah,
you let me know. I will add you.
yeah. Please contact to him and send your contact number in the chat. So
how do I
yeah,
contact you so that you add me? I'm talking to the class rep.
080.
Please, sir, how do I contact you to add me to the group, WhatsApp group?
How can I call my number to you, please?
Sir?
Can I get you my
Madam, please,
my contact?
madam, please drop your number on this chat. Go down,
You
go
can
down.
drop
You
your
see
number on the chat now,
the
Mr.
chat
Iso, and
icon. You see the chat icon.
on
Drop
the
your number
chat.
there.
I'll do that. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you. And is there other more questions? So if everything is clear, then I would like to take a screenshot. So if possible, if you all open your webcam, so I can make a screenshot for the report as well, because as this is the third day of the robotic class. Yes. So I'll make a screenshot and I will send on the WhatsApp group.
Come again, sir.
Yeah, I mean, if you open your cam, so I can just do the screenshot of the screen with all your pictures, and then I will send you on the WhatsApp group. Okay, yeah, I'm very glad to see you all.
Make sure you are smiling. No, if you are not
Yeah, okay,
smiling, that's the way
okay.
to carry you.
Let's smile, and I'm taking the picture as well.
Please
Okay.
let everybody open their camera.
Oh yeah, please.
Thank
Yeah.
you. The rest of us, please open your camera. Thank you. Put on your camera now. Are you shy?
I just sent some pictures I took. So those who cameras are off, yeah. Okay, great. So let me take one picture all together. So Ismail. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, great. Because you see, I'm in contact and also with the education minister there in Trinidad and Tobago, and he's also very much interested for the collaboration. And that's the very good news, all of us, because in Trinidad and Tobago, very soon we are also conducting the virtual online classes to empower to teach the rural children from rural area in collaboration with some partners over there. And if you all are also interested to join, that would be fantastic. I'll let you know all in a couple of weeks. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir. That would be great, sir.
Yeah,
Please,
thank you.
sir, are we expecting the material for today's class?
Yeah, I'll share you these documents, and after the class I will attach in the book, because I'm also designing the book by attaching some remaining coding like that. But I'll send you what we learned today, by which you can revise by yourself.
Okay.
And for me, tomorrow, that makes much more easier to do some interaction. And if you have any questions and doubts, feel free to reach out on WhatsApp group. That would be much more convenient and easier. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And I wish you all
Thank you.
have a very good evening. And maybe there's a time for dinner. And I'm going to sleep. Yes.
So, okay, Mr. Pradeep is going to sleep now because it's
Yeah.
already past 10 in their country, or almost past 11 by now, I'm sure.
Yeah, it is already 11 p.m., 11:10. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
So please, thank you so much again, Mr. Pradeep. We appreciate your time and your commitment to ensuring that all of us in Nigeria and several other countries are great robotics engineers. Thank you. We appreciate you on behalf of the High Tech Center for Nigerian Women and Youth, and indeed all the schools in Nigeria. We want to say thank you for joining us to train these teachers. And like we have said to everybody, I'm sure they are excited to work with you on this journey and to have the practical section code as soon as we can. And that is why we look forward to what will happen tomorrow and believe that very soon we have enough materials ready for the practical section. Thank you so much, and God
Thank you.
bless you.
Yeah. Thank you so
So
much.
to
Have a
my,
wonderful
to my
evening. Okay, bye.
yeah, bye.
Thank you. Okay,
To
bye.
my colleagues and friends, please, if you have not registered your name, put it down. I'm seeing those names already. The class rep is helping us to pick them. And then more importantly, please let's discuss where we are from. Abuja, you are from Ekiti, I'm seeing Kaduna. Any other states, please let's indicate, and let's get whatever is possible within our reach from the list of what he has sent to us. And we hope that on or before Saturday, we can coordinate our meeting together physically to do some hands-on practical section. So on this note, I want to say go and rest before 8 p.m. when we will have the general class and other courses. Have a good evening. Thank
Good
you
evening.
and God bless.
Thank you, man. God bless you.
Thank you, man. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you much. We'll meet in 8 p.m. classes.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Bye.